It's a new era with its Sky-Fi technology. Integrated dual HD Superscreen we have with the built-up Alexa integration. Yeah, now I'm going to say hello Alexa with the Entronics powered intelligent. We have the Immersive 3D sound technology where you don't need to go anywhere. You have to feel like a live concert with Alexa. The new XUV700 also have a detect of drowsiness. It keeps you awake by vibrating the steering. It also has the intuitive drive modes where with the absolutely zip, zap, zoom customs. Andronix Connect app also gives you the electronic intelligence on your Andronix Connect app. The new XUV700 also has a high beam assist. Yes, with the ADS traffic sign recognition, with the absolutely adaptive cruise control, with the intelligent SUV with intelligent speed. ADS also gives you a front collision warning. Yes, it sends the obstacle and image to act by sending an alert. Wow, XUV700 also has the automatic emergency braking system. It comes with a lane keep assist too. It also acts like a smart pilot assist where it gives you a normal assist with the pilot on the braking lights. It also has a system coming down to the engines, M-Hawk, M-Stallion engines, best in the class. It also has electronic park brake systems with custom drive modes with absolutely custom zip, zap, zoom, wow, drive mode. While you ride the rush, electronic stability power, alloy wheels, not to forget the main thing, the alloy wheels. Yes, the distinct diamond cut alloy wheels and ensure the bold SUV stands with absolutely superb. LED rail and clear view lamps. LED, DRL and clear view headlamps makes it awesome. Dual HD super screen. Wow, nice to see. Very much. You can see that with the Andronix. Wireless Android Auto and CarPlay. Technology gives you the superpower to connect. Navigation, 3D maps, live traffic updates. It has everything. The XUV700 keeps on giving you everything. Get your own device to cast with this new XUV700. The Andronix Connect app, which gives you everything. And a 3D sound technology will make you feel like sitting in a concert. In Alexa, you get everything from the remote to Skyroof. You can use it, and in XUV700. Push button with passive keyless entry. Here comes with a new memory seat. Welcome retract system. Skyroof is one of the unique thing you can ever see in XUV700 with panoramic sunroof. The reverse camera and park assist, which makes the XUV700 an elite. It also has the LED indicators and with ORVM. Having the drowsiness, this is all about the XUV700, which absolutely you will like it. Looks awesome. If you see it, have a test drive. This is all about the new XUV700. Yes, if you want to know more about it, if you want to have a test drive of this car, please call us. You know we are Ace Cars expert on every social media. I hope you like this video and you'll definitely go for a new test drive of the XUV700.